Stephanie's gonna tell you what to do because she's like the best fitness coach ever. And then you can watch me and I'll show you what to do, okay? Awesome. Okay, ready? So the very first move that we're gonna start out with is actually inspired by one of the greatest movies from the 80s, The Karate Kid, okay? And the move is called the wax on and wax off. Ready? Wax on, wax off. Awesome. Get those arms swinging. Excellent, excellent, okay? I think you totally have that one. Okay, so then the next move that we're going to do is inspired by the awesome 80s video game, Pac-Man. Oh my gosh, okay, here comes the Pac-Man. Okay, are you feeling the burn in your arms yet? Awesome, okay, then the next move that we're going to go into is actually inspired by Vanilla Ice. And it's actually called the Ice Ice Baby Show the News. Here we go. And 3, and 2, and 1, and you're good. Okay. Awesome. Okay. And then after the Vanilla Ice moves actually comes another one inspired from one of my favorite movies from When Harry Met Sally. Okay? So you're going to end like this with your legs open, arms up, and you're going to thrust your chest forward as you dip. You go, oh, oh, oh. I'll tell you how much she's having. Let's hear them. Awesome! Okay, I think you totally have those moves. So, do you think you can remember those 4 moves? And we're going to put it to some really awesome inspiring workout music. If you get lost, you can keep your eyes on D, okay? I think you're ready. Let's try this. Ready, guys?